Redirecting stdout to nothing in Python. I have a large project consisting of sufficiently large number of modules, each printing something to the standard output. Now as the project has grown in size, there are large number of print statements printing a lot on the stdout, which has made the program considerably slower. So, I now want to decide at runtime whether or not to print anything to the stdout. I cannot make changes in the modules as there are plenty of them. I know I can redirect the stdout to a file, but even this is considerably slow. So my question is, how do I redirect the stdout to nothing? How do I make the print statement do nothing? Currently the only idea I have is to make a class which has a write method, which does nothing, and redirect the stdout to an instance of this class. Is there an inbuilt mechanism in Python for this? Or is there something better than this?
Cross-platform. On Windows. On Linux.
A nice way to do this is to create a small context processor that you wrap your prints in. You then just use is an a with statement to silence all output. Python 2, Vue. Python 3.4 Plus. Python 3.4 has a context processor like this built in, so you can simply use context-lib like this. If the code you want to suppress writes directly to sys.stdout using none as redirect target won't work. Instead you can use If your code writes to str instead of stdout, you can use contextlib.redirect_str instead of redirect_stdout. Running this code only prints the second line of output, not the first. This works cross-platform, Windows plus Linux plus Mac OS X, and is cleaner than the one's other answers in Ho.
If you're in Python 3.4 or higher, there's a simple and safe solution using the standard library.
At least on my system, it appears that writing to os.devel is about 5x faster than writing to a .print class, i.e. gave the following output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.